Welcome to the online cash poker tips. There are two types of bluff in poker: real and fake bluff. This tip is related to real bluff in online cash poker. That's how to make real bluff in cash poker. Step 1. After getting a card like ace and a king, just double the total table money before first 3 set of cards open on the table. Step 2. After first 3 set of cards open on the table as ace, king, and a king. Now you have a 3 of a kind as ace, king, and a king in your hand. Step 3. Don't be excited, just check or raise if anybody, until the 4th card will be open on the table. It shows you are not having any pair but exactly you have. Step 4. If anybody raising higher like bluffing you, don't show your plans to him. Just wait and raise the same as opponents. Step 5. Now opponents are sure about that you are not having a pair and raise higher in the last opening card on table. Step 6. After revealing all cards on table, you already have a full house. Just raise maximum to knock out the opponents. Important tip: in every raise of money, take time. It will confuse the opponents. But before opening of any card on table, don't take time to raise more than 4 seconds in blind. Thanks for watching. This is a real bluff tip as per my experience in poker more than 10 years. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.